Welcome to the BevCold Research Facility, also known as My Kitchen. Today we're going to do a real-world tailgate test using one of our BevColds and an ice cold beer. Okay, we have our two beers. First one came in at 37.5, and this one 37.7. All right, so we're going to put that down. Now we're going to take one beer, put here, another one here. So with the can, we're going to start our timer. All right. We're now at the 5-minute mark. Typically someone would drink about 3 ounces of beer. The 5-minute mark. So we're going to pour out 3 ounces. And the reason we're doing that is to simulate real-world testing. So as you can see, we now have 9 ounces in each of the 2 cans. And at the 30-minute mark, we will take the temperature. All right, we're going to go ahead and put the thermometer in this one. Kind of giving it the benefit of the doubt, taking its temperature first. .8. You guys can see that 42.7. We'll give it 42.7. The BevCold has settled at 31.9. It was 31.9. We're going to have to move the camera. When you take it out, it changes immediately. Okay, we'll call it 32.3. See that, 32.2. Okay, so 32.2 is what we're going to settle on. Take this out. And this has been very common. What we found is that typical beer in a refrigerator will be somewhere between 38 and 40 degrees. When you put it in the BevCold, because it's frozen, it actually brings the temperature down, and that's very significant because you're gonna lower the temperature, and then it's gonna maintain that. There's no way you could ever do that, with a koozie or anything like that. All right, it's time to take out another 3 ounces. We'll let that settle. All right, 20-minute mark. Now we're gonna take the temperature of our can. We're at 45.3. Doesn't seem to be moving anymore. Hold on, 45.2. All right, 45.2. Now we're going to put it in the BevCold. You can see the beer measured the same. We got to go feed our judges. We're at 33.5. Bring this up here so you could see it. 33.4 actually. We'll call it 33.5. So as you can see, it's really maintaining. It's only gone up 1.2 degrees on the BevCold side, but it's still 33. If optimal drinking is about 38, 40 degrees, we're still way below that. Whereas, as you can see, 42.7, 45.4, it's going up at a faster rate. Just as a point of reference, the temperature today in Irvine is 64 degrees, so not a particularly hot day. We'll do the test again at maybe 80-degree temperatures, but just wanted to let you know what the temperature was today. We're coming up on the 15-minute mark. At that point, we'll empty out 3 more ounces, leaving a total of 3 ounces. Again, very typical for how someone would drink a beer. Take a sip, set it down. All right. As you can see, same amount came out. So we should have 3 ounces left in each of the cans. All right, we're going to go ahead and it's like 48.7, 48.6. Oh, put down to 48.4. Let's let it settle. 48.9. 48.9. $36.8. Bring this here so you guys can see it. 36.7 actually. 36.7. Actually 36.9 I think was the, when you move it. All right. 37. It's settled on. Back to 36.9. All right. 36.9 it is. All right, we're coming up at the end of our test. Looks like this is settled on 51 degrees. All right. Over here we're at 36.6, 36.5. 36.4. All right, we're going to go with 36.4. Actually got lower than before. So that concludes our test. Let's verify the same amount. So we're going to pour this out. Completely empty. We're going to pour this out. So as you can see, the same amount. Here are the test results. So at the end, a difference of almost 15 degrees. We started off the same. Actually, the can was 0.2 degrees colder. By the end, it was almost 15 degrees warmer. All right. Well, that concludes our test. If you have an idea for a more real-world test, please let us know. You can contact us at sales@bevcold.com. For now, we'll post the results. We'll put the graph on our website. And like I said, we'll also be doing this with a pint glass, with a bottle, and several other ways. Cheers, and remember, your last sip should be as cold as your first.